What's been happening in the Middle East recently? A series of events have unfolded as tensions rise and geopolitical maneuvers take center stage. Today, we're going to delve into the recent events, unfolding them chronologically to paint a clearer picture of the situation. In late January 2024, 3 American soldiers were tragically killed in a drone attack on a U.S. military outpost in Jordan. The U.S. held Iran responsible for this attack, with President Biden asserting that the U.S. will respond accordingly. This statement sparked a stern warning from Iran, with the country's Islamic Revolution Guards Corps commander, Major General Hossein Salami, emphasizing that Iran would decisively respond to any attack on the country or its interests. Fast forward to early February, the U.S. military initiated strikes against Iran-backed militias in Iraq and Syria. These strikes targeted over 85 facilities, with more than 125 precision munitions. The retaliatory campaign was met with criticism from some quarters, with Senator Lindsey Graham arguing that the strikes failed to deter Iran and protect American troops. Despite these heightened tensions, both Biden and Salami expressed a desire to avoid a wider war in the Middle East. However, this did not prevent Iran from launching drones at Israel in a retaliatory attack. This move has added another layer to the already complex situation in the Middle East. So what are the key points to take away from these recent events? Firstly, the death of the 3 American soldiers in a drone attack has intensified the U.S.-Iran tensions, leading to a series of retaliatory actions. Secondly, despite the rising tensions, there is a shared desire to avoid a full-blown war in the Middle East. Finally, Iran's drone attack on Israel in retaliation has further complicated the geopolitical landscape in the region. These events, though linked, are also part of a bigger, more complex picture. It's a web of actions and reactions, threats and warnings, all underpinned by a long-standing rivalry and geopolitical maneuvering. Understanding the sequence of these events is crucial to comprehending the current situation in the Middle East. It's a reminder that the world is interconnected, with events in one region having the potential to impact the entire globe. As the situation continues to evolve, it's essential to stay informed and understand the implications of these events. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed is the first step towards understanding our world.